Well, hello everyone. This is video number 3 in my 3-part series featuring the Candid Moments scrapbook workshop. This is layout 1. I already did one of the pages. Slide it over here so you can see it. On this page you can see there's a little variation, and what I did was took some papaya and my sponge applicator and put a little papaya on the edge, and that's what gave that definition. And you can see that on this piece that we'll be using on the other side. But I just wanted to mention that so that you knew where I got that from. That was in the instructions, and super easy to do, and it really dolls up those pieces. It gives them some dimension. Okay, so on this second page, and with these instructions that come with the workshop kits, they give you in this sort of faded looking layout, they give you dimensions of where to set your items. Some basic guidance. I already put down these 2 pieces here, and I've got everything pretty much ready to go. I had it laid out so that I could see where things lined up, and I'm gonna move things out of the way a little bit because this next piece needs to go down, and it shows it being at about 1.5 inches, so right around where that meets there. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Well, we'll stick it right about there. And I'm just going to take my glue and I'm going to hit the highlights here. And I will be quiet and give this a little fast forward for you so you don't have to spend too long watching this. Take some repositionable glue dots and glued it down to my Versamat. I like using my Versamat because the grid lines make it really easy to figure out where things are supposed to go and helps me to keep things lined up sort of straight. But here we go. This is actually page 1. And this is page 2, so you can see how they look. And that's it. That is the final 2 layouts for the Candid Moments scrapbook workshop. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will give some of those workshops a try. These are wonderful, just stickers and some cutouts that are provided for you in the kit. You do not have to have any special equipment. You don't have to have a Cricut. You don't have to have any kind of a die cut machine. You don't have to have any stamps. This is all ready to go. Super easy, but I love them too, even though I like all that other stuff. So I hope you will give it a try. You can check it out at barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day. I'll see you next time.